Give it a smell. Funky. It smells like you had like Doritos left in a sock for a week. Not bad, but maybe not the smell I would go for if I was putting these on the market. What's up, guys? This is American in the Philippines with another Filipino snack taste test. This is number 21, I believe. Today we're doing Filipino pretzels. They do a lot of chocolate covered pretzels, milk, cheese covered. So we're gonna try, I have 6 different varieties today. We'll try them out and see which is best. So let's get started. Let's go with something simple. This is Knickknacks, very popular brand I see here. This is the chocolate coated, so just plain chocolate, I guess. Let's give it a smell. Smells just like a really sweet milk chocolate. You can see it's only half full though. But it looks like a nice little kid snack. Oh, they're goldfish shaped for some reason. Nice crunchy pretzel. The chocolate tastes kind of fake, like really cheap chocolate, but honestly it's pretty nice. Like, I like the flavor. If I was a kid, I would love this like colorful bag. Overall, for a crunchy fish-shaped pretzel, pretty nice. I'm gonna give this a 7.8. Definitely would eat these again. These would be great with some milk. I don't have any milk here, but I might get some. These would be good as cereal, I think. So 7.8 for our Knickknacks. Next, let's go. Another popular one I see is Choco Knots. This is just their plain chocolate covered pretzels as well. This one is more full. This one maybe 2/3 full. Let's get in here. A little more dark chocolate smell to this. They're not very well coated. Like, you can see a lot of the pretzel through there. But it's regular pretzel shaped. Let's give it a shot. More thin, less like crunchy than those, because those are thick fish shapes. Honestly, not a lot of chocolate flavor here. It tastes kind of like cheap hot chocolate mix. But overall, pretty nice. Definitely not as good as the Knickknacks. I think the Knickknacks are sweeter, a little more chocolatey. And this I'm gonna give a 6.2. Pretty solid, good pretzel snack. Pretzels are not very common here in the Philippines. So I don't really see them too often in the stores, especially not like the Snyder pretzel bits, where like they have honey mustard and barbecue, all sorts of different flavors like they do in America, but still, these are good. I would eat these if they were at a party or something. So 6.2, I think I said, for these. Next, let's go something a little different. These are Knickknacks again, but these are milk flavor. Filipinos love milk flavor, but they don't really have milk at the grocery store. I mean, you can find it, but it's usually like in on like the shelf, non-refrigerated. So it tastes a little different than what I'm used to in America. Again, less than half full for these, but they do look milky. It doesn't look like white chocolate. It looks like butter, kind of. They smell a little bit buttery. Maybe a little bit like white chocolate smell. Let's give it a shot. Again, I really like the texture of the pretzel. Very thick. I don't know if I would call this milk flavor, but it's good. There's about 75 ingredients in here. So it's definitely a lot of like artificial stuff. I do see milk powder, so obviously they do put some milk in here. These are nice. Again, I would probably have these again. They're flavorful. Not as good as the original chocolate though, so I'm gonna give these a 6.9 overall. Still a good score for me, I think. That's above average. I'm going to the orphanage later today, so whatever snacks I don't finish, I'll just put in like the dish of snacks I always bring there for kids to try. I'll make like some Rice Krispie treats. I just put out a video of me cooking those, so maybe I'll toss these in there and they have some little chocolate bits to try with it. So next, let's try another milk. Let's compare it. We have Milky Knots again, but this is their milk flavor. So we're kind of getting to see these side by side to see which brand does it best. These look much more white chocolate. Wow, very heavy pretzel smell, like very like cooked toasty bread flavor. These are much better coated than the chocolate ones they had. Let's give it a shot. They do have more white chocolate flavor. These actually taste pretty good. Again, they're not as crunchy, which I like the crunchy bit. But solid. None of these have really knocked my socks off, but I think they're good overall. I think I would like some like barbecue pretzels or maybe cheesy pretzels, but you don't really get those. I haven't seen those in the store. Maybe you guys know of those and you can tell me in the comments what your favorite variety of Filipino pretzels is. These are good. I'm gonna say 6.5. So everything's been between a 6 and a 7, 8, I think was the high. So overall, still pretty good. All above average, all stuff I would eat again. I'd say we'll go for, this is the weird one. This is the Milky Cheese. I did say well, I just wanted cheese, but I was thinking about like cheese like Cheetos or the Leslie, like crunchy cheese. Wow, orange, very, very orange fake cheese. Give it a smell. Funky. It smells like you had like Doritos left in a sock for a week. Not bad, but maybe not the smell I would go for if I was putting these on the market. Yeah, like cheesy Doritos, but let's give it a shot, see what it tastes like. Oh. Yeah, tastes like old Doritos too. Like you try to mix white chocolate and nacho cheese. It's like not a flavor combo I would try, but let's give it a second taste. Yeah, I don't know if I would eat these again. It is like white chocolate and nacho cheese mixed together. It's like they wanted to do sweet, but it just tastes like fake old chips to me. So I'm gonna give this one a 5. I wouldn't buy these again, but they're okay. If you really like fake cheese flavor, maybe you'll love these. I don't see these flavors as often. I get sorry stores or little convenience stores here, so maybe they're not as popular as just the plain chocolate. So we got one more. These are the double chocolate. Again, Knickknacks. These are the most popular ones I see, maybe because of the clown. Kids love the sort of characters on foods. Let's see. Much more heavy, dark chocolate. Again, classic fish shape for them. Yeah, even the biscuit inside is chocolate. Much more chocolate, dark chocolate. Still very, very crunchy. It's crunchy like a pretzel, but it's not a pretzel. In fact, these say chocolate-coated biscuits, and the other ones say biscuits. So maybe they're supposed to be cookies and not pretzels. Maybe I was wrong. These are super. Wow. Yeah, put these in a bowl of milk. These would be a great little breakfast or snack. Maybe if you made some popcorn, you could throw a couple of these in there to melt. Be like extra crunchy, a little melted chocolate. Let me see how these compare to the original ones that I really like. Let's try one of these. Yeah, the double chocolate is better. These are immediately you get the fake chocolate taste. These taste more like standard dark chocolate. Very delicious. Like real chocolate flavor to it. Maybe that's because they put more cocoa in the biscuits. I don't know. But Filipino snacks continue to surprise me. These pretzels, or I guess crunchy biscuits, are a nice surprise. I haven't really had any of these before, so I'm pleasantly surprised. They're a little bit more expensive than like regular chips, but I think you also get a little bit more. Like these are like 60 grams. I think your average is like maybe 25 or 30 grams. So you get about twice as much, and it costs about twice the price. Super good. These I'm going to give a 7.9. So they're better than the other ones. Solid. If I had to buy any of these again, I would get the double chocolate in the blue bag Knickknacks. So this is our 21st video, guys. We just got monetized on YouTube, so every view, every like helps make a little bit more money. All the money we make goes towards helping the orphanages that I volunteer at and buy supplies for. I still have tons of snacks and stuff that I've been buying since the holidays and taking, 10 or 20 kilos at a time over to the orphanage whenever I visit. So yeah, thank you for watching and helping me get here so we can help more people. So if there's any snacks I missed, guys, let me know. Any places you want me to go visit, any street foods I should try, let me know in the comments and I'll be glad to try them. Thanks so much for watching. See you later, guys. Bye.